else f***ed up or no?
Just me. No big deal.
All it was just the fender, basically. That was it. Like no other damage or anything, or no?
Clean steel. You know in baseball when they like try to steal a base, and they're like clean base. That's what Pegnotic. He got a clean base. He stole that shit. Clean off, no damage.
Dude, I've been like one baseball game.
Then f that reference.
Go in your home.
Is that a good one, by the way? Is that a good Zeus? Because I think there's one shitty one I put in there, just for fun.
Surprise one.
Yeah.
Surprise, motherfucker! You want me to put that one on?
No, I could just continue standing here holding it.
Well, I kind of figured you were going to put this one on your stand here.
Well, it's all the way over there, and of my short stature, I'm not going to get that. I can't even get that, look. You see?
Oh, you didn't even try there. No fair.
Here, go on.
No, it's too late.
Oh.
I think we've also come to a conclusion, Tyson. I think you swear more than me and Toby.
In like one sentence, there's like 4 F-bombs.
Yeah, you're fucking doing this. Toby's like, man, Tyson swears more than we do. And I'm like,
yeah.
He does. I'm like, I never really realized that.
Here you go. I hope the little feller that's always at the track is happy.
Primed and ready. Cheer us on.
Yeah.
And not cry tonight. Poor little guy.
Could have done 25 laps last night, but.
I'm 340.
I'm scared.
I wasn't scared.
I'm just gonna overheat.
Well, I was scared of that.
This is painful to watch.
Yeah, well, it's painful to do also as well. Every fucking
Yeah,
week.
oh yeah, this next year's hood isn't going to be like this, I'll tell you that.
Well, I got it with a mild case of tetanus. Well, look at this one. This one's like, you don't even need dual alignment. Perfect.
Mint.
Yeah. It's on an angle for aerodynamics.
Now hopefully we just don't pull a hurt today or our hood just flies off.
How could this happen to me? I made my mistakes.
Just for anybody for the last race of the season, this fender's also up for grabs. Look, it's even formed a hood scoop for the airflow.
Yeah, I know. We got yelled at the beginning of the season for that though.
Well, remember? Yeah, I don't care.
What, for that?
Yeah. Because then they're like, oh, you can see the flames coming.
Oh,
at you.
right,
Like,
that's right.
Obviously,
Yeah.
you want to see the flames coming.
Yeah,
at
why
you, 'cause
wouldn't
that's
you?
cool as
Yeah.
You need some cool GoPro footage.
Sick shot, dude.
Yeah. Be like, I got licked by hot gas and flying in my face, and then I rolled the car. That's a cool story.
Yeah, it's not like we're running alcohol where we can't see the flame. A real low idle today. I don't know what else about.
Yeah.
It's that 250 shot of nitrous that we put in.
Yeah, that's what it is, yeah.
We gotta check tire pressure still, and we gotta change this tire.
Nah, you're good.
Tony Chu says we're not touching that tire, so.
We'll switch it out after the heat race, definitely, most positively for sure. But as for now, let's see what it can do.
Intro me.
Hi, my name is Tyson Ogard. I'm the Chief Editing Director, Producer. What day is it?
27th?
Saturday?
Saturday 27th?
This Saturday, the 22nd. 22nd?
27th.
Oh, my birthday's in a couple days. Don't put it in, because I get like weird people that are just like, happy birthday.
It's going in.
Out of nowhere.
Now that you said don't put it in, it's going in.
Okay.
There's gonna be fucking like confetti on screen and balloons rising up.
Stripper?
Yeah, I can put it like stripper right here. Right there.
I'll tell my wife. So it's the 27th.
It's 7th.
It's 27th. Merrittville. We got what? 3 weeks left? 2 weeks left? There's only 1 week left.
This elevator! Can I run this elevator myself if you want?
We put a fender back on the car. Toby plastic welded the bumper back up. Still haven't changed our strut. And we also didn't wash the car again. We've had better luck with not washing the car. So.
Well, it hasn't gotten worse.
Hasn't gotten better. Yeah, so we got a couple weeks left of racing. And then it's just on to working on the car. Peeling this body off of this, making this look all haggard, and then we'll give it back to Danny. And and a trip down Tennessee maybe in the springtime. I think it's a better idea for us to go down in the springtime with our new chassis. That way we can test out the new motor. Chris, Blackwell Racing Heads, can help us with setting this thing up. And we're gonna come up here and this whole place up. Well, I'm just gonna suck still. I don't know, one of the two. What?
Put a GoPro up.
Yeah.
Tonight's the night?
Tonight's the night.
You said do it.
We're gonna have a special with Tanner Douse.
Podowinski.
I can't say his name
72
right.
modified. Hooray.
GR Viral Rail.
See how he drives. He's an animal.
Alright, so I took a picture because I'm dumb and race pass isn't working for whatever reason. We're starting heat 2. Second place. We got Mason Anderson, Dustin Duga, Vincent Pagnana, John Luback, Jeremy Hughes, Nico Hansen. It's gonna be an interesting little heat race. So the track's looking, right now it's looking pretty decent. So yeah, it's gonna be a good night.
How'd it feel out there?
Not too bad. Not bad, really.
Yeah.
Well, like trying to drag race Vince and John is just like it doesn't feel bad. The track's actually really nice. So like by the time the sprint cars go out and do their heat, we'll have a good. That'll be a good top line that we can just kind of sneak around. So I usually don't go too far on the bottom. I should be able to kind of run that high line into 3 and then cut down into 4. Block that inside, like I've been doing lately. It's been working.
Hey, 5, just give me a gap, give me a hole. The 14 double D is coming up in front of you. 14 double D is right there ahead of the 5. Lineup's good as it rolls on the racetrack. Lights are out, driver's lights are out. We're coming to green. Front row fires together at that pool noodle on turn number 4. Rows 2 on back, bring her nice, tight, square, and even. This is 15 laps. Go put on a good show, drivers. Good luck. Checkers out, back them down, watch guys, they got a real slow mover on the top side of turn 4 coming to a stop.
I started getting the drive out of 4 going higher. Because going into 1 or going into 4, I was dropping down real low and then trying to get the drive out, but I could feel it spinning, not gripping. In 1 and 2, like sending into 1 and 2, I'm like, all right, we should be able to run up top because there's tons of grip up there. And you just kind of like slide into it, and then all of a sudden it just like grips. But then I'm like with the steering because I'm like counter steering for the slick, and then it grips up, and then it fucking unsettles the car all over the place. So it's all Mike next door and preparing for it.
Getting the heads up, yeah. Kind of like uneventful and just kind of just meh that race, you know what I mean?
It's the end of the season, nobody's really like herky-jerky right now, right? So we kind of got into it with the number 11 cars. He passed me, and then I got some light out of coming out of 4, and I just kind of like rode his ass for a little bit. But other than that, like pretty uneventful. I was kind of hoping that caution was going to help us, but I think
that's what I was thinking too. I'm like, fuck, this will be good. He'd be able to fucking maybe get some passes in.
Shot us right in the foot.
Yeah.
Not the position I was looking for. Not the track I was hoping for. Not the track I was expecting, at least. I hate when you do that. Sometimes you do a track walk and you're just like, all right, yeah, this is
Gets in your head that
it's going to be good. It's going to be good. And then it's just like,